Okay, this one is section 8.4, multiplying special cases. What do we mean by special cases? You're going to see some interesting things here, but it's just multiplying things that they end up in a special way, a unique way. Okay, so that's what we mean by special. All right, so let's take a moment. You should be able to multiply this one. We've done this already. We did it in the last problem. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is plus 2x. Now you multiply the next part. Negative 2x times 2 is negative 2x. And negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Now, after we multiply, we always look for like terms. There are some like terms. And 2x minus 2x would make what? 0x. So what we get here is x squared minus 4, but there's no x. We don't put 0 down. Okay? So now we try the next one. So the next one, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. 3 times 2x is positive 6x. And 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Now, do you notice something? What's going to happen to those two terms again? 0, 4x squared minus 9. Now, let's look at the original. This one's x minus 2. This one's x plus 2. They look the same, except one, the second term is negative. The other term is positive. This one, it's 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. So when you look over here, 5x minus 7 and 5x plus 7, what do you suppose will happen to those terms in the middle? Okay, so what is the pattern? The two like terms equal 0. They go away, right? You could say they cancel. I would be okay with that. But that's what's going to happen here. So here, 5x times 5x is 25x squared. 5x times 7y. Now, a lot of students don't like that one, but 5 times 7 is 35, and there's an x and a y. Now we do the second part. Negative 7 times 5 is negative 35, and there's an x and a y. Negative 7 times 7 is negative 49, y squared. But you notice, 35xy minus 35xy, those two like terms in the middle there add to 0. So we get 25x squared minus 49y squared. But that's why we call these special cases, because the middle terms always cancel out. So when you notice you're multiplying two, where one's positive, one's negative, positives and negatives cancel each other out. And when they're all the same numbers, now they have to be all the same numbers. For instance, if I had this, x minus 3 times x plus 7, those aren't going to cancel out, right? But if I change that 7 to a what? They'd cancel out. A 3. They have to be the same, okay? Then it'll cancel out because we'll end up getting a negative 3x and a positive 3x. That makes sense? That's why we call it a special case. Something that, oh, we noticed that. All right, now the next part. It says simplify the expression. Now, we haven't seen one like this before. It says x minus 6 squared. What does that actually mean? That means you have x minus 6 times x minus 6. So you're going to want to rewrite it. A fast way to rewrite it is, of course, just to take the 2, scribble it out, and put another x minus 6. When you square something, it means you're taking it times itself. So now we're going to multiply it. Now, it says this is a special case, but notice, is 1 positive? So they're not going to cancel out, but something else is going to be special about this. X times x is x squared. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Negative times a negative is a positive 36. So what's special, if you notice, you got negative 6 and negative 6. It's the same. So all that does is that one plus that one is the same as negative 6 times 2. It doubles it. Scribble this out. 2x minus 5. Again, one's not positive, so they're not going to cancel like the first special cases. 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 2x times negative 5, negative 10x. Negative 5 times 2, negative 10x. Oh, it's the same. Negative 5 times negative 5, positive 25. So a couple things. Those two are always the same, but if they're always the same, it's just the negative 10 times 2. It's just double. The middle terms, or the like terms, are the same and double when you put them together. Okay, so 3x plus y and 3x plus y. First, I'll scribble this out. I'll put another 3x plus y. 9x squared. 3x times y is plus 3xy. Y times 3x is plus 3xy. Now you could write it 3yx, but we always go alphabetical. X comes before y. Plus y squared. 9x squared plus 6xy plus y squared. I think that's it. Is it?